It's very interesting. So you basically started as a team of badasses, and you, Alex and Gerald, doing the audits. And I assume this is how you. Probably you also had connections because you worked in the Ethereum Foundation and you had connections to protocols and to the community. Can you share some tips for like just security auditors? There are solo auditors. There are firms out there of things that help you to kickstart the company and the agency. It started, I assume, as an agency, and then it became some kind of a DAO. So what really helped you to gain this reputation and basically get those first clients and also maintain them?
Yeah, that's a great question again. So in my opinion, we got almost all of our clients initially purely by word of mouth. The clients we did our initial work with, they ended up talking about it to other people. Most of them said it was the best audit they had ever had. A lot of them were like clients that had multiple audits and they really liked working out with us, and they would recommend us to like other people purely by word of mouth. And Speedbit for a long time had the if you know philosophy where we barely did any marketing, and every all the marketing we did was purely word of mouth. It was just our work. That was our marketing. Like people would talk about it to other people. So for new researchers, new companies, I would recommend, try to find one client. Usually, this can even be free if you really want to like hustle and find your first client. But like do like really good work on it. And I think the initial customers would probably be word of mouth, and try to use your work and the output of your work to bring more clients. So people would be able to like look at our reports, and I feel like our reports had a little bit better quality than most of the work out there.